Today you're gonna learn morau. Morau has two usages. First, with a noun. Second, verb. Let's look at the first one, noun. This meaning, you use it when a first person receives something from someone and the person who received is grateful for it. I will just put receive for now, but I want you to understand by looking at the examples that I'm about to give you. 父から時計をもらった。父から時計をもらった。Now here, から means from, but you can also use に。父 father, from father, 時計 clock, watch. In Japanese, 時計 just means something that tells you time. Everything is 時計. But most likely it's going to be watch. 時計をもらった. Receive. That's a past tense of もらう. Let's look at another example. 恋人から恋人から恋人から花をもらった. 恋人 significant other, lover. から you can use に also. From the significant other. Flower をもらった. Receive. I receive flowers from my significant other. もらった just like I keep saying, first person. You don't want to use it for third person who's receiving. So let's take 山本さん. Mr. 山本. 山本さんは私に酒をもらった。山本さん to me. Since 山本さん who's the subject is the third person, this sentence is wrong. You want to make sure you use もらう for first person, meaning I, or at least someone you can emphasize with. Maybe your son. 息子がおじさんに飴をもらった。Son, おじさん uncle, here. You can use から also. 飴をもらった。Candy. 飴 means candy. So my son received the candy from my uncle or his uncle. It's most likely his uncle. You wanna refer to the subject here, usually. There's a time you cannot use に, you can only use から. That is when the subject, the giver, is not a person. 政府からお金をもらった. So government, you cannot use に. Why? Because this is government, right? This is not a person. This is not a person. That's why. お金 money もらった. So I received money from the government. That is もらう used with noun. You can use verb with もらう. It's the same thing. Someone does something for the first person, most likely it's going to be you, and you're grateful for it. You benefit from it. When using verb with もらう, you want to make this verb tense to a te form. Alright? This has to be a te form. If you don't know what te forms are, I explained the te forms right up here. You can check the video out. Let me give you an example. 友達に家に来てもらう. Friend, house, come. Come to my house by friend. So you're saying, I will have a friend come over to my house and I'm grateful for it. Here, be careful. て form, right? 恋人に晩ご飯を作ってもらった. 恋人に晩ご飯を作ってもらった. 恋人 significant other. 晩ご飯 means dinner. を作って make, right? Again, て form. もらった my significant other did. Alright? She made dinner for me. Alright? You don't want to use から for verb. You can only use に. So that's a difference, right? Number 2, verb tense, you can use に only. 1, noun, you can use から and に. And do you remember when you can't use に in noun? That's right. When the giver, when the person you receive from someone is not a person. When it's not a person, you can only use から. What was the example? Government. That's it. もらう. I'm planning on making あげる, which is similar to もらう, because a lot of people learning Japanese are confused when tackling もらう and あげる, right? So that's what I'm going to do in the next lesson. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And share this video for those who want to learn Japanese like you, so that a lot of people can benefit from my video and they can learn a lot of things, and that would help my algorithm a lot also. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.